All right, everybody. Today we've got another Lego City box we're going to open today. We have the Fire Chief Response Truck. It's set 60231, and it comes with this awesome Freya McCloud figure. We love the Lego City show, and we're excited to build this Fire Chief Response Truck.
I built the fire.
Sure. And look, it comes with a fire guy too. See?
It comes to a stem.
This is awesome. Let's get ready to build. All right. Boop. All right, here we go. Wow. Oh, more pieces. Cool. Here, let's put the box over here. There we go. And we got all sorts of bag pieces. We got some instruction books here. We got some stickers. And we got another instruction book. Oh, we got bag 1 and bag 2. Check that out. All right, let's go ahead and let's start with bag 1 and get ready to build. All right. Whoa. And all right, let's get ready. All right, we're almost done here. So I took the hood off because we want to put the people on. We put the fire chief in there with her coffee so she can drive and have a cup of joe as she's driving. Not too bad. Then I'm going to put the hood back on, the roof. And there's the roof there. And then we want our other police guy, or our fire truck guy, to come out and hang over here. And he's going to hang out and say, hey, I want to be on the back of the truck. Help me, help! So maybe he's going to grab onto something cool like this piece here. I don't know. Actually, let's put the ladder on so the ladder can go up, up. Check that out. Look at that. So now we have this sweet, awesome, cool, amazing piece here. And we got a couple more pieces we can attach to the back. And I think we've got an awesome, awesome truck. What do you think, buddy?
Cool.
I think it's really cool. And you see this piece? Oh, it looks like the electrical box on fire. Somebody call the fire truck. All right, we're here. We're ready to get some help. Hey, fire guy.
The pirate is coming.
The pirate is coming.
What is...
Don't worry, we've got a fire truck here, and we're gonna put out the fire. We've even got this cool fire guy.
Hi.
Hi.
Hi. Hi. Fire, what are you doing?
We're gonna put out this fire. Watch out. We did it. We did it. Hooray. Hooray. Hey, we saved the day. Thanks for watching BlockPlayToys. Don't forget to subscribe. See you next time. Bye.